Hey guys, so that yesterday's session was an interesting one, first time in the Stealth. So today I'm going to head out on the flat water and maybe go out through the river mouth and catch some small runners and see how well it goes. I'll have the GPS on, so I'm going to track how fast this hull goes. And I will be using the wing blade this time. It's one of the Stealth wing blades. I'll take the GoPro, probably put it on my head with the head mount, and throw the camera boom 150 in again to catch some different angles with the 4 different starports I've got on here. Righto, that session was a bit more fun. I was a bit more comfortable with this boat second time round, and there wasn't as big a wind. We've got some nice hull speed there on the flat water, even paddling up into the current with this nice big wing blade. I was able to pull this boat up to speed pretty quickly, and that current on the way back now, the last part, is running at full swing on the way out, and I was able to make ground right through the middle of that current. See you again.